Hello everyone, you are on my channel Yeva Trading. Today we will talk about trading patterns. This will be an educational video, so get comfortable, make yourself a cup of tea or something stronger and enjoy the viewing. But first, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, and also follow my Telegram channel where I conduct live sessions with my subscribers. Join my community. I would be happy to get to know you better. So, what is the head and shoulders pattern? The head and shoulders pattern can be seen on all time frames of currency pair charts. It belongs to the trend reversal patterns. How the head and shoulders pattern is formed. Left shoulder price increase reaching a peak or top followed by a decrease. Head price rises again, forming a higher peak than the left shoulder. Right shoulder, another decrease, followed by a rise resulting in the price reaching a peak on the right side, below the head. The inverse head and shoulders pattern looks the same but in a flipped form. It's very important to wait for the completion of the pattern formation. After the formation of the neckline, which connects the two lows of the pattern or two highs of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Trades should not be made until the pattern has broken through the neckline. As for the profit target, for the regular head and shoulders pattern, it's necessary to determine the difference between the price maximum of the head and the lowest point of both shoulders. Then subtract this figure from the entry price. For the inverse head and shoulders pattern, the process is done in reverse. The price minimum of the head is subtracted from the maximum of the shoulders, and the resultant figure is added to the breakout price. Well, let's take a look at our situation in practice. The currency pair is the Australian dollar with the franc. Let's switch to our market, Australian dollar with franc. Let's go for 4-minute short and $300. While our deal is working, let's figure out why we entered here. If we draw the support line where the chart bounced off and this impulse. Now let's change the tool. Initially this impulse, then a pullback, then a second impulse, another pullback. The third impulse is exactly the same as the first. And such movement along which we are already going here. We clearly see one shoulder ahead, the second shoulder, and they all end at the same point. This is how we see one line that everyone touches. The last shoulder breaks this line and goes down. We expect the same movement as here. Moreover, the situation is very good for us. It will work out. I am 98% sure because here we also have a resistance level to which the price will now strive. Therefore, all that remains is to wait for the end of our deal, which will be in 2 minutes 30 seconds. And we have the last 4 seconds left. As we can see, the situation is working out perfectly. We earned $252. Let's look at our movements. As we can see, we almost reached what we drew. That is, we indicated everything as accurately as possible. As you can notice, this figure works well, worked, and will work. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Rate it with a like. I tried very hard to explain everything clearly. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. Let's be friends. See you on the next episodes. Bye bye.